Imagine holding a machine in the palm of your hand that packs more raw computational power than a top-tier desktop tower from just a few years ago. A machine so quiet, so efficient, and yet so obsessively fast that it fundamentally redefines what we expect from a personal computer. This isn't a concept. This isn't a look into the distant future. This is the reality of the Apple Mac Mini M5. For years, the tech world has looked at the Mac Mini as the entry-level option, the budget-friendly gateway into the Apple ecosystem, or the reliable little box you hide behind a monitor for basic office tasks. But with the arrival of the M5 generation, Apple didn't just iterate, they completely flipped the script. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Mac Mini is no longer just a great value proposition. It has transformed into a dominant, uncompromised powerhouse that challenges the very existence of bulky, power-hungry desktop setups. If you are watching this, you are likely trying to make a critical decision. Maybe you are a creative professional pushing the boundaries of 4K and 8K video editing, 3D rendering, or massive audio production workflows. Maybe you are a software developer needing a machine that can compile heavy code bases without breaking a sweat. Or perhaps you are simply a tech enthusiast who wants a setup that feels incredibly snappy today and remains completely future-proof for the next 5 to 7 years. Whatever your background, the M5 Mac Mini forces us to ask a massive question. Is this truly the ultimate desktop computer for the average user, or is there a hidden catch that Apple isn't telling you about? To truly understand why the M5 generation is causing such a massive stir in the tech community, we have to look closely at what is happening under the hood. The transition to the M5 architecture represents a monumental leap in silicon engineering. We aren't just talking about a minor clock speed bump or a slight efficiency gain. Apple has re-architected the way data moves through this machine. Built on an incredibly advanced, ultra-dense manufacturing process, the M5 chip packs billions of transistors into a space smaller than a postage stamp. What this means for you in daily life is simple: absolute, instantaneous responsiveness. When you click an app, it doesn't bounce, it just appears. When you boot up the system, it's ready before your hand leaves the power button. The core architecture splits tasks intelligently between high-performance cores and high-efficiency cores. When you are just browsing the web, answering emails, or streaming high-definition content, the Mac Mini operates using a fraction of a watt of power, remaining completely silent and cool to the touch. But the moment you throw a massive workload at it, whether that is exporting a massive project, running complex data simulations, or launching a modern, graphically demanding application, the performance cores kick in with an absolute vengeance. But sheer processing power is only one half of the equation. Where the M5 Mac Mini truly leaves traditional PCs in the dust is its unified memory architecture. In a standard computer, the processor, the graphics card, and the system memory are all separated by physical distances on a motherboard, communicating through narrow data pathways. The M5 chip changes all of that. By placing the memory directly on the silicon die alongside the CPU and GPU, Apple has created a system where data travels at blistering speeds with near-zero latency. The graphics processor and the main processing cores pull from the exact same pool of ultra-fast memory. This means if you are working on a massive graphic design file or editing multi-stream video, the system doesn't waste precious milliseconds copying data back and forth